guys, ito na nga ang aking fifth therapy. There is one more. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat, Pilipinas. Good evening po. Ito na po kami. Dito naglalakad na po ako. Sa aking fifth therapy. Oh, there is one more leaf. I need to become good. I hope successful this. But the problem for me is when I go up in the stair and go down, this is a problem. But when I'm not go up in the upstairs, it's no problem. But when I go up upstairs, walking the street in the stair, problem. Oh my God, help me God, help me God. Oh, I don't know what happened to me. I want to go Philippine Council. I hope allowed me, because I'm so tired. I want to take rest. Yeah. Ito, walking. Nakatipid man lang sa taxi. Si taxi, yung lapit-lapit man lang. Taxi is 16. Tapos, sakay ako ng car lift kasi wala available taxi. 20 car lift. Oh my God. Plus in the hospital, 30 dirham. Plus 20. The taxi, 50 dirham gone for me, for my therapy. But it's okay. Maybe next time, I will be fine. Hopefully I will be fine, okay? But I don't know what I think this one. Hopefully God help me. Bye guys.